Hey guys, Michael from Picjam here. Today we've got an exciting new feature announcement and we're calling it SEO keywords. In this video, we're going to provide a really quick rundown on how it works. The idea can be encapsulated in this video here, where you upload a single product image and it can be of apparel or virtually any e-com product. AI will then scan it and it will provide you with unique keywords in return. And I'll give you an example of how it works. So let's use this Godzilla sweater here. And once we upload our image, we'll have a few different options. So we can actually choose the specific e-commerce platform that we're trying to generate keywords for. Now, you will note that there are quite a few here, and that's because there actually are differences in best practice for SEO across these different platforms. So say if I was selling this on Amazon, I would select Amazon and then generate my keywords. And it's going to have a think. It shouldn't take too long as it's trying to find an image description, and it's also going to give us a list of different keywords and actually elaborate quite nicely here on the opportunity for each keyword. So here it's actually come with some interesting results, ones I probably wouldn't have thought about. So for example, monster print sweatshirt. Why this is useful is there's still quite a good keyword which is broad, which is a sweatshirt, so you need to be clear there. But there's also something quite unique in that it's a monster print too. So typical SEO tools, they would give you the same keywords that everyone else has. So if you were to say that I'm in the sweaters business, it would give you a list of keywords by volume to do with sweaters. But the problem is all of your competitors see that too. So there's no real unique advantage. What you want is an approach that's halfway. You would want some unique identifier here. For example, anime clothing or Godzilla sweatshirt would be a great one. There's kawaii fashion. Wouldn't have thought about that. That's actually just highlighting the style of art here. So streetwear as well, that can be a unique identifier. So we think there's a great opportunity in actually being a lot more specific to these different niches that might be searching for a sweater at any given time. And that's the beauty of the tool in action. We can go back and see how it works for another category. So let's do this mug, and let's say we were selling it on Etsy. So we'll generate here again. And let's see what it comes up with. So this is interesting. Yes, there's a generic term like a tea mug, but there's also ones like funny mug or gift for tea lover, custom tea mug, novelty mug, mug with quote. So there are some opportunities here that I wouldn't have thought about had I just looked at a generic SEO tool, which is really just showing me the amount of keyword searches per category. Or there are these guides that Etsy will give you, but a lot of what they say in these guides is, all right, now's the chance to brainstorm. And we don't think that it should really be up to a brainstorm when it's something as serious as SEO. It's how a lot of products actually get found in marketplaces. So we're really out to solve that problem. It's like, how can you get the best practices of SEO per platform? And how can you actually create something unique to the individual product that you've created? That's the beauty of this feature. So if you've got any other questions on how it works, or you're interested in any feedback or any further uses of this feature, please reach out. Thanks so much for watching.